Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening photos and going straight to shared library settings. This ensures the foundation is correct. First, add participants using their Apple ID or phone number so everyone can sync. Once added, choose what to share, all photos, the last 2 years, or a custom selection, because that determines storage and privacy. Make sure to confirm permissions. This avoids accidental exposure. If you see a prompt about merging, accept it to include existing relevant photos. Once done, set contribution rules so the library stays tidy. You can enable auto-add for specific cameras or identify people to auto-share images featuring them, which saves time. Then configure import behavior, choose manual approval if you want control, or automatic inclusion for frictionless sharing. Make sure to tag and organize with albums, keywords, and face grouping so everyone finds images quickly. If storage or duplicates arise, review smart albums and remove repeats before they propagate. To finish, verify the library synced across each participant's device and that iCloud backup is enabled. This preserves edits and metadata. Next, adjust roles, owner, editor, or viewer, so people have the right control. Then tidy albums and confirm shared albums appear in recipients' photos. If things go wrong, first check network connectivity, then iCloud storage availability, and finally that everyone's iOS or Photos app is up to date. Those 3 fixes resolve most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.